Okay, we're out here on the Matador site. We're about to we're rigged in, we're about to get going. So I wanted to give you a video outline. There's our produced water line, riser we're pulling from the San Mateo line. You can see this is a rigid pipe coming in over the berm. That's all polyed into the system. That's going to turn a corner. We will inject chlorine dioxide here before we go into a set of buffer tanks for volume buffering. Water will exit the buffer tanks. Be pulled out of the buffer tanks by this pump. Comes off of this pump where we see an injection of polymer and coagulant. From there, water is pushed around by Mr. Malinsky down this lay flat hose heading towards the DAF unit. Water's coming from the buffers through this lay flat hose going into the DAF unit. So we've got a nice DAF unit on pad here. Water exits the DAF unit, gets pulled by this pump through this rigid line here, and exits the system and heads to frac. That water that's leaving this line here ends up in that minion, and that is what is on reserve for frac. You'll see the chemical injection line is way, for chlorine dioxide, is way ahead of any other treatment. We also have the opportunity to trim dose here. So this is as water is leaving the system. We have a separate injection manifold for trimming chlorine dioxide if we need to. We also have the opportunity here to add coagulant, to add something like a scale inhibitor or non-oxidizing biocide. And that's a quick footprint of what's going on out here at Matador.